Good day, learners. This is Easy Engineering. For today's topic, we are going to reveal some reasons why sound waves are invisible. All of us are clueless of how things really work. For example, how come we never see our voice? Well, technically, voices are made up of sound waves. But first, what are sound waves? Well, sound waves are movements of particles. Let's say bumping of particles. These particles bump to other particles because of the vibration produced by the object affected by the sound. These particles will keep moving until they run out of energy. We can hear things everywhere because sound waves travel through air, water, and even in solids. Fun fact, learners, did you know that there is no sound on the moon? It's because the moon has no air, so the sound waves cannot travel through. That is why astronauts use radios to communicate with each other instead of using their voice. Otherwise, screaming in space is just useless. Now, we say that we can hear things everywhere, and we can even see the object that produces the sound. But why can't we see the actual sound waves that travel through from that object to our ears? Well, learners, that is because sound waves are far from the radiation or the light that provides us visibility, or not connected with the electromagnetic radiation which our eyes can only detect. This electromagnetic spectrum is somewhat an entire range of light that exists. Some examples of the frequencies in the electromagnetic spectrum are the radio waves and X-ray cameras, but there's no sound waves there. In that range only, a small portion belongs to the light that we can see, and the rest of it cannot be seen using the naked eye. So we could simply say that the reason why we can't see sound is because sound is only for the ears and not for the eyes, right? We can only say that we can see sound waves because we can see the object that produces the sound. Take for example the church bell. You can actually see it shaking, and shaking movements are the sound waves traveling. It would be really creepy and annoying if you can see the sound waves traveling everywhere. It may look like chaos. So we should be thankful they are invisible. So learners, your ears and your eyes are meant to work together. They are very precious, so take good care of them always. That is all for now. I hope you learned something today. Have a nice day.